Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the tone of any study space, and a unique table lamp can elevate both the function and the style of your desk. Desk lamps are essential for creating the right ambience while providing ample light for focused work or reading. Modern table lamp designs prioritize both aesthetics and practicality with adjustable arms and serial features that allow you to direct light exact where it is needed. LED level lamps are a top choice for their energy efficiency and long lifespan, while vintage-inspired desk lamps bring a charming old school vibe to your workspace. For students, selecting a lamp that offers adjustable brightness is essential, allowing them to adjust the lighting to suit different tasks and times of day. Trendy desk lamp design include minimalist models and sleek metallic finishes or industrial-style lamps with exposed walls. Some innovative table lamps also feature built-in USB charging ports, which add convenience and reduce desk clutter. Colorful or quickly designs can inject personality into your study space, making the environment feel more inviting and inspiring. Desk lamps with built-in organizers or storage solutions also become increasingly popular for students who need additional space for pens, notebooks, and other essentials. Whether you're decorating a study room or home office, the right table lamp can add both functionality and flair to your space. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.